Does your enterprise have complete confidence in its backup and disaster recovery solution? If not, you may need to re-strategize and consider a more modern approach. Disaster recovery is your strategy to get your business up and running as quickly as possible after a natural disaster or cyber attack. Industry experts are increasingly recommending SaaS-based solutions. Relying on traditional backup methods for disaster recovery, such as using on-premises infrastructure or restoring from tape, requires extensive IT overhead and capital expense. The modern approach is a cloud-native solution like Druva. After an event, bounce back in minutes with fast disaster recovery, one-click failover and failback. Built on AWS, Druva enables business-critical apps to run from the cloud until infrastructure is restored. Get back in business quicker and drive down costs by up to 50%. The best disaster recovery plan is only as good as the solution you deploy to make it happen. Trust Druva to deliver backup and disaster recovery for the cloud era.